Who baptized Jesus in the Jordan River?
John the Baptist.
John the Baptist? Where did Moses receive the 10 commandments?
Lago ka ba?
Which disciple walked on water towards Jesus?
Si Peter.
Can you please name the books in the Bible that starts with letter E?
Ephesians.
What animal tempted Eve in the Garden of Eden?
Serpent.
Serpent?
Snake.
It's giraffe. What bird did Noah send out to see if the flood waters had receded? Finish the verse. Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my... How many days did Jonah spend in the belly of the big fish?
Same kami, vlogging.
You're vlogging also?
Sometimes I vlog.
That's nice. What's your content?
Mga motivational.
That's perfect.
Just check my
So
TikTok.
this is Kuya, my church mate. Can you share about your vlog, your content?
Hi guys, I am Miguel Manabat. So I post valuable motivational content in TikTok and Instagram. And because I am Miguel Manabat and my mentality is called Manabat mentality.
Oh, perfect. Just like Mamba mentality.
Yes.
But Manabat mentality.
Manabat mentality.
Hi guys, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Attorney Frank, your lawyer on the go. So today is Sunday, so nasa church ako ngayon, and it always makes me excited and happy about it kasi I love Sunday. I love going to church. So ngayon, I'm going to do a content. Alam nyo ba, nagtatago na yung mga church mates ko. So my content is I'm going to ask them some Bible questions. Very simple lang naman. So, are you in for the challenge? Are you in for the challenge?
Yes!
Okay, so we'll start. Simple lang po ang quiz natin. Now, kapag nasagot ni Ate Aya ang mga katanungan natin, she will receive a prize. In dollars, $20 million. Joke lang.
Wow!
You will receive 20 pesos. Yan. So, kailangan masagot ni Ate Aya ang question in under 1 minute. Okay? Ate Aya, here is the question. Can you please name the books in the Bible that starts with letter E?
Ephesians. Hi, wait lang. Tagan man dito, no? I'm sorry.
Kaya mo yan, go. 1 down.
How many di ay? Ephesians lang ako nadamdaman.
Give me 5.
Ephesians. Ecclesiastes.
Very good. Just give me 5 na lang.
No, I can't do. Guys, I need your help, guys. Teamwork. Ephesians, Ecclesiastes, Ezekiel.
O sige, tulungan niyo siya. Dali, go!
We need teamwork, guys. Teamwork. This is team 3.
Ecclesiastes, Ezekiel,
Exodus.
Exodus.
say 4.
Last.
5 only.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5.
You just need 5.
Ezra.
Ezra, very good! You got 5!
20 pesos on the way.
These are my church mates. So, Cameron, this is Cameron. She's from Texas, right? Yeah. So, she's up for the challenge. So, I'm gonna ask her 5 questions. She has to answer 4 correctly, and then she will win $20 million. Just kidding. 20 pesos only. Or we go. Joke. So, all right. I'm gonna ask you the questions. Hold the mic. These are the questions. It's very easy.
Okay.
Number 1. Who was the youngest king in the Bible?
The youngest king. Si David.
Oops, David is not
Mali.
correct. Last chance.
Si
It starts with letter J. Clue.
J. Lako kabalo.
The answer is... Second question. Which disciple walked on water towards Jesus?
Si Peter.
Peter is correct! Praise the Lord. Question number 3. What were the first words God spoke in the Bible?
In the beginning, let there be light.
That's perfect, guys. Ang galing-galing ni Cameron. How kayo? Question number 4. Who was thrown into the lion's den?
Daniel.
Daniel is correct.
Nervous.
Wow, you already got 3 correct answers. Number 5, last question. Which disciple betrayed Jesus for 30 pieces of silver?
Judas?
Judas?
No, he.
Judas is correct.
Oh, for sure.
Congratulations, Cameron! Ayan, at ang kakasana naman sa challenge natin ay walang iba kundi si Ate
Avril.
Right. So, ang questions ay, again, 5. So, kailangan makakuha ng 5 answers na tama ni Ate Avril. Then, she will win $20 million.
$20 million.
Just- Joke lang, 20 pesos lang ang afford natin. Wala tayong flood control project. Only floodgates of heaven. Just kidding, guys. So, ayun. So, we have 5 questions for Ate Avril. Okay? Hold the
Yes,
mic.
okay.
Question number 1. What animal tempted Eve in the Garden of Eden?
Serpent.
Serpent?
Snake.
It's giraffe. Just kidding.
Serpent.
Serpent is correct. Okay. Question number 2.
Dog.
Question number 2. What bird did Noah send out to see if the flood waters had receded?
Raven.
Raven?
Raven, tama.
Raven is wrong. The correct answer is dove.
Dove. Ah, dove. Lahi dito Raven.
Yes, iba. Next question. Question number 3. Who were thrown into a fiery furnace but was not burned? Old Testament in the book of
Tuloy, di ba
Daniel.
na sila?
Yes.
Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego.
Wow!
Shadrach, Meshach, mali isa.
Okay lang, meron ka ng kailangan mo lang ng 4 correct answers.
Ay, oh, really.
So, fourth question na tayo, no?
Sige,
Fourth
sige.
question. How many loaves and fish did Jesus use to feed 5,000 men?
Hello, pila ito? 5. And 3 fish. Tama.
Wrong. 5 loaves,
5
and
loaves and
2
two fish.
5 loaves and 2 fish.
Oh my gosh.
Sayang. Meron
Ako
pa last,
nag-study,
last question.
guys.
Ano na lang, babawasan na lang natin ng premyo kasi
Yes, okay
2
lang
mistakes na.
It's just a fun game.
Yeah, correct. Last question. Who denied Jesus 3 times before the rooster crowed?
Peter.
Peter
Yes, Peter.
is correct! Congratulations, Ate Avril. Makakatanggap ka pa rin ng consolation prize.
Prize.
$10 million. 10
Thank you, Kuya
pesos.
Frank.
Thank you, Ate Avril, for being so game. Yeah, subscribe.
Like and subscribe, guys.
Ayan, ang tatanungin naman natin ngayon ay walang iba kundi si
Janice.
Ate Janice, ang future engineer dito sa aming church. So again, you need to have at least 4 correct answers out of 5 questions. So 1 mistake only para manalo ka ng 20 pesos. Yes, I'll give you 20 pesos kapag nakasagot ka ng 4 correct answers.
Okay, nari nakakontanti wala.
Wala. Meron na si Cameron. She won. Okay, first question. Okay, hold the mic.
Okay.
Question number 1. Who baptized Jesus in the Jordan River?
John the Baptist.
John the Baptist? Correct!
Nag-cutter di oy. Pili na ko mali ako answer.
Okay, next question.
Okay.
Where did Moses receive the 10 commandments?
Mount Sinai.
No, sino eh? It's correct! Galing ni engineer. What's an is correct?
Ano mo kami nakabali?
Third question. Wow, magaling. Third question. Wala, medyo ano to, dapat memorize mo to. Fruit of the Holy Spirit mentioned in Galatians 5:22 to 23.
Tanan?
Wala na to, i-discuss kanina sa Wali.
Tanan?
Yes, tanan.
Love, joy, peace, kindness, gentleness, self-control, goodness, and faithfulness.
May isa.
Patience.
Patience! Wow! Ang galing ni Ate Janice. Fourth question. Which prophet was known for challenging the prophets of Baal on Mount Carmel?
Dito. Again.
Which prophet was known for challenging the prophets of Baal on Mount Carmel? Na siya kanta. These are the days of... 5,
Jay, nag-start no?
4, 3, 2,
Jeremiah konti.
wrong. Answer is Elijah. Bakit ang kanta? These are the days of Elijah.
No.
Ano yan? Okay.
Something ni Ja kung maano.
Guy, naman siya isa kasayop, guy.
Ay, oy!
One.
Isa na lang, no?
Question. Isa na lang. Dapat
Dapat naka-20 ko.
Yes. Para makadaog ka. Sige. Hala. Okay.
Walang kota, oy, di ko kaklaro.
Sige, last question. What did Jesus turn water into at the wedding in Cana?
Wine.
Uy! Uy! Starts with letter B. Beer. The correct answer is wine! You won! Congratulations!
Yay! 20 pesos!
Alright guys, meron naman tayong idadamay sa ating Bible Quiz Challenge. Walang iba kundi si Ate Joanne. Hi Ate Joanne. And tutulungan siya ni Kuya Utoy. So, 5 questions. Manguntahan ako sa imo og 5 questions Ate Jo. And dapat makakuha ka og 4 correct answers para makadaog ka og 20 pesos. Sige, let's start. Pakihawak ng mic.
Ay, mapuhas sa mic ko.
Question number 1.
Sayon na, sayon.
Yes, ayun lang ni. Unsa ang sign na gihatag ni Lord nga promise kay Noah after the flood?
Rainbow.
Rainbow is correct!
Kuyawan.
Rainbow is correct. Okay, second question. Finish the verse. Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my...
Your feet is the lamp. My feet is the lamp. Sa to, it's the lamp.
Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my... Okay, Kuya Utoy.
Ha? Pat.
At the correct answer is highway. A lamp to my feet and a light to my highway. Joke lang.
Pat.
Pat is correct! Very good! Highway. Third question. Ito, dali lang ni. How many days did Jonah spend in the belly of the big fish?
Sunday school teacher.
No. Tama ba?
Dapat complete answer.
Bilang dito. Kalim. Ano na?
Call a spouse.
Sunday school teacher.
Bilang dito kadlaw ganin.
No, 10,
5, 4,
3 days.
3. Padayon. Dapat complete. 3.
3 days and 2 nights and 3 days. Nakalma na.
Una.
Kulang. Mali na ang isa. The answer is 3 days and 3 nights.
Ay, 3 days and 3 nights.
Goy! Okay, last. Ay, down na pa.
Tama na ang tatlo
Fourth
noon. Ngayon wala akong 3 days.
Na isa ka mali. Fourth question.
Dati 3 nights.
Who was known as a man after God's own heart? The answer is
David.
apelido. David.
David Diga Fernandez.
David Archuleta. David is correct. Last question. Ililista natin sino yung mga bibigyan natin ng premyo. Last question. What is the shortest verse in the Bible?
Katong Jesus is Ang sa ganun. Sa ganun nga verse.
Dapat tama
Jesus is
sobra.
O ka na gani.
Unsa man
Verse ba verse?
Unsa man ang verse? Dapat i-mention ang verse.
John. Sa ganin na, uy!
Sige, call a friend.
Nana siya sa John.
John 1.
John 4. Asa to?
John 1, oy.
John 1? Nasa John 1? John 1.
No.
John 4.
John 4:10? Ay, dili
No.
po.
Last chance. John?
John, basta na siya sa John. Jesus.
John 2.
Unsa man
Dili.
unsa ang verse? Sige na lang. Okay. Just recite the verse.
Jesus wept.
Jesus wept. Very good.
John 11.
35. John 11.
Basta nalagay sa John.
Pero sige, at least na-recite niya ang verse. Kaya, congratulations Ate Joanne. You won 20
Pesos! Yay! Saya nga, perfect na ang tatuno.
Perfect nota. Sige, mangita na po tawag atong sa muko na lait. Panghuling kalahok sa ating Bible Quiz Challenge for today's episode. So we have Kuya.
Hi, my name is Dan. My full name is Albert Daniel S. Jundit.
Ang Koreanong overcooked ng Davao City. Joke. Alright, Kuya. Ready ka na ba?
Ready na, ready na.
Aha. Sige, pakihawak ng microphone. Question number 1. Very easy. Who was the first king of Israel?
Blanco da yun first.
Oh, hindi mo alam. Hindi mo sabihin, hindi mo alam. Sabi niya,
King.
guys, hirapan ko daw.
King Samuel.
King
Samuel.
Samuel is
Kilos.
wrong. The correct answer is King Saul.
Ay, hapit na. Gilahin na nila.
Gi-revise na.
Saan mo ng chat GPT, oy?
Second question. Who interpreted King Nebuchadnezzar's dream about a large statue?
Si ano? Wait, nasa akong dila din na maano. Tanawon saan ako tumoy sa akong dila.
Ano ang tamang sagot, Kuya Dandan?
Ano? Si
5.
Jacob?
The correct answer is Daniel. Number 3, third question. What sea did Moses part to let the Israelites cross?
Hindi, lahi man tong Red Sea, maman tong ano tong nagpula ang tubig, tapos lalisod yun di ay, tama yun di ay, ano? Samal?
It's the Red Sea. Samal ka dyan.
Oh, tama akong gingon,
Wala mo siya wala ni mo answer.
Tawa.
Okay.
Kaya siya napasok dito.
Guys, puro mali pa yung answer, guys.
Undecided ang isa.
Okay, fourth question. Ito very easy. Who climbed a sycamore tree to see Jesus?
Si ano? Sige ito. Tong tax collector, si
It starts with letter Z.
Zacchaeus. Zacchaeus, yes.
Zacchaeus is?
I'm proud of it.
Zacchaeus is? Correct.
Nice,
Proud na proud siya, guys. Okay, last question. Who wrote most of the Psalms? Sa Old Testament.
Si ano? Si Samson?
Sino?
Unsay ano? First letter siyang name. Bonus.
No, then you answer it na.
Tao, bagay.
Sino ang nagsulat Mostly sa Book of Psalms.
Si ano to? Si Peter?
Peter, New Testament yan. King, clue, isa siyang king.
King David.
King David is correct.
Yes.
No ba yan?
Gay, palisod-lisod na ako pag ma-challenge ang mga view. Sila, dali ka na tubag
So
na
guys, si Kuya Dandan, kanina sabi niya, yung mahirap daw. O ngayon, easy lang.
Maydo ha?
Hindi naka-answer. Dalaw lang. Thank you so much, Kuya Dandan.
Thank you so
At
much,
dyan meron
guys.
kang 10
pesos! Please support Kuya Frank's page. Don't forget to click the notification bell para lagi kang updated. See you sa next video, guys. God bless. Bye!